Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up Aervy WiFi Extender. We will show you in easy and short steps how to set up Aervy WiFi Extender in just few minutes. The Aervy WiFi Extender is a device designed to enhance and expand your existing wireless network coverage. So watch this video till the end. Let's start with the product unboxing. Inside the Aervy WiFi Extender box, you'll usually find the Wi-Fi extender device, a quick start guide or user manual, and sometimes a warranty card. It's ready to plug in and set up with no extra accessories needed. Now insert your Aervy Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green, indicating it's ready. Go to your Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. It usually has the label WPS or an icon. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. This starts the router's signal pairing process. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on your router, go back to your Aervy extender and press the WPS button on it, usually on the side or front. The LED light will start blinking, showing it is trying to connect to your router. Give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute. When the LED turns solid green, it means the connection between your router and the extender is successful. If it doesn't turn green after a minute, repeat steps 2 and 3 again. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.